Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today we're talking about sugar and its impact on chronic illness. So let's just start with confession time. I'm a fan of sweet things just like the next person, but there's a right way that you can eat sweet things and a wrong way. Sugar is the villain in the story of chronic illness. It sneaks into your system, wreaks havoc on your blood sugar levels, and sparks inflammation like a match to dry tinder. So let's be real. Sugar is basically the gremlin of the nutrition world. It spikes your blood sugar, increases inflammation, and triggers insulin resistance. A study in the Journal of Clinical Investigation shows that too much sugar is directly linked to heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. So what happens when we eat a lot of sugar? It creates a vicious cycle of inflammation that just keeps going. But hey, I'm not saying you need to cut out sugar completely. I'm saying you need to exchange it, the bad sugars, for the healthy sweeteners. Life's too short to say no to birthday cake. What I'm saying is this: cut down on the processed sugars and swap them for natural whole food sources of sweetness, like fruit or honey or coconut palm sugar, or here in Vermont, maple syrup. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that replacing processed sugars with whole foods actually reduced inflammation and improved health markers. So go ahead, have that piece of dark chocolate, but don't make that a daily habit unless it's a piece of dark chocolate with a healthy sweetener, like stevia or coconut palm sugar. Cut the sugar, keep the sweetness. Your body deserves a healthier plot line. One less candy bar at a time, and you'll feel the difference.